Hey everyone, Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate a foam trucker cap with the HPN Signature Series Auto Open Cap Press. This cap press is Heat Press Nation's latest addition to the Signature Series line. We've sized down the auto open feature from our larger clamshell heat presses and incorporated it into our new cap press. This makes for my new favorite cap press and one of the best cap presses on the market. There are also a couple new features to this machine, like a revamped pressure adjustment knob right below the lower platen, which is also interchangeable to fit caps of various sizes. Sublimating onto foam trucker caps is also much easier with the Signature Series Auto Open Cap Press. First, trim your transfer as close as possible to the printed image. You'll want to place some heat tape on the back of the transfer. This will secure it in place on your cap while pressing. To sublimate foam trucker caps, set the machine to 50 seconds at 365 degrees Fahrenheit at light pressure. Next, prepare the cap onto the machine. Once it's placed onto the lower platen, lock it in with the cap hold clamp and place the transfer face down onto the hat. Cover the transfer and hat with parchment paper and then press. Once the timer reaches 0, the machine will open automatically. Then it's time to take out your trucker cap. And that is how you sublimate onto a foam trucker cap with HPN's Signature Series Auto Open Cap Press. If you'd like to learn more about this press or any other products, please feel free to visit us at heatpressnation.com or give us a call at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.